Hello, hello. I am batch processing videos, if you couldn't tell. I am going to be talking about my Boxycharm Premium for August 2021. Yes, I already looked in this. Girl. Anyways, my name is Kristen. I'm a daily uploader. I like wrestling, makeup, and the Regular Pitch Show. So if you are into that, stick on by. Stick on by? Stick around. Yes. Anyways, give this video a like. It really helps me out. So let's dive into this box here. Like I said, I already looked in it. This box, I am not impressed. So I think this one I just grabbed out, I think this was my choice. And I thought, okay, if I choose the skincare, this is usually how it goes. If you choose the skincare, you get more makeup. That's not what happened this time. This is the Wishful Honey Balm. Like I said, I think this is my choice. This says a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. Blah, 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 blah. $49. This is the packaging. Very cute. The next product I got in here was makeup erasers. Yeah, La Rousse, right? Yeah, La Rousse Beauty Face Discs. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. Blah, blah, blah. $24 for 3 of these. Girl, please. You can get the e.l.f. ones. I think they're $2 a piece. Like, this is bullshit. Bullshit. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is Vesca Beauty. This is Soft Sun Radiant Skin Primer and Luminizer. Get Golden Hour Glow in a Bottle. Soft Sun Radiant Skin Primer and Luminizer is a multi-use priming lotion formulated to hydrate skin perfect, whatever, blah, blah, blah. $30. This thing is so tiny, and the bottle looks really weird. And if you couldn't tell by my makeup, I don't really want to glow, so this might go to someone else or go in a giveaway or something later on. Make sure to check back on that. $30 for that. Okay, the next thing... Okay, yeah, I got 3 more items. So let's go for the big bullshit one. This motherfucker right here. This is Luxe plus Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. Kind of looks like something you could put somewhere else, doesn't it? The Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. I'm terrible. Blah, blah, blah. $79.99. This costs more than regular vibrators. Just take your regular vibrator and put it on your face. I'm terrible today. Oh my god. Anyways, remember the one that we got in the Patrick Ta and Ipsy Glam Bag X? That one didn't even work. And it looked just about similar to this. It just had a metal bar. It didn't have like a stone or anything on it. But the base looks very similar, so I'm just like, it's probably not even gonna work. But anyways, that's bullshit. I should just toss it. Let's go for number 5, because you get 6 products in this. This is a $35 box from Boxycharm. The next thing, this is a Zoeva, I don't know how you say it. Powerful Lip Twist. Hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigments. Blah, blah, blah. $14. This is in a nude color, and I have so many lipsticks, Oh, it's not even lipstick. I think it's like a lip crayon. Okay, let's open it and see. Yep, sure is. It's a fucking little lip crayon. How do you say crayon? Crayon or crayon? Let me know down below. So, put this away. What does that say? Yeah, $14 for that. And then the last thing was a big thing, but this is War Hair Care Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hairspray. Discover the magic in the mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residuous. Is that a word? I thought it would be residual. I don't know. Superfine style. It casts an aromatic spell that doubles as a hair perfume to boot. So, to boot. I am not going to use that either, so that will probably be in a giveaway later on too. This did not come in a box. This just came just like this. And this retails for $26. So, Not impressed with this box. I can tell you that this was Boxycharm Go All Out. Clearly you didn't go all out, friends. You didn't go all out, because All Out is in September, and that is a wrestling show by AEW. They are gonna go all out. This fizzled out, okay? Thank you. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you got. Let me know what you thought of the products I got. Let me know if you got a palette in yours, because I was so disappointed to not get a palette. That was like, ugh, this is like a skincare box to me. This is not a makeup box. Anyways, don't forget, I'm a daily uploader. I'm a weirdo. I post every single day. So I will talk to you later. Bye.